It's got some pretty extensive overspray on it. She's hit pretty good. Yeah, it's one of those. Okay. Here's the sides. This is Jeff, Paint Overspray Removal of Texas International Services. We're cleaning this vehicle. It's got a protective coating. It's hit pretty good, so I'm going to blade it. So what I'm going to do is direct you towards there. All right. Now we're going to clay this off. Now that's protective coating. No compounds, no solvents, nothing abrasive. Now that's no cutaways. I want you to look at this. If it was scratched, you'd be able to see it. There's the paint. Look at that paint. It's perfect. There's some of the overspray. No matter how you look at it, it is not a scratch, not a line, not a blemish on it. Overspray is removed. I'm going to shave it. One thing you never see is anyone actually truly demonstrating what they do. They may wax it, you know, put a portal on it, or in some cases, never really demonstrate the work and talk on the camera for, you know, 7 minutes on an 8-minute video and all you did was talk. Never really show your work. This is different without the use of compounds, solvents, or any abrasive products. Okay, now, no wax. In fact, I just clayed all the wax off of it. Now that is perfect. Not one piece of overspray on it. A machine has not been used on it other than me. And that overspray is out of there 100%. Look at that. Now I know it's cloudy, but believe me, that overspray is out of there. It's like a baby, very soft. That's perfect. All right, I'm claying this off real quick. Come out, son. Look at that finish. No damage. The hood's looking good. Come on out, son. Oh, there you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. Sneak on out of that cloud. Maybe some sort of coating, depending on what they sprayed. Mm-hmm. This is a carbon-tipped razor blade, and what I've done is I've tuned it. So what I'm doing here is pushing it off, rather than to try to use a machine or to use something abrasive, but I'm going to show you here. And the clay I use to take off the residue that this may not pick up. Because what happens when you use compounds, anything like that, it diminishes the clear coat. This way right here is not going to diminish it.
Okay, great.
You know, before the clay bar, which is what everybody uses, was ever invented, this was the way I did it. Now, if you squat down or just kind of look at an angle and just inspect that right there, what you would see is scratches going this way.
Right.
And what this does in action is it's pushing it off.
Okay.
Now, there is a technique to this, of course. I mean, you know, I've been doing it for 24 years, but just like any stupid human trick, once you've done it thousands of times, it's nothing. And then the clay bar, what it does is, and this is the best clay, it's from Auto Magic. It's a fine grade clay bar. I use a dishwashing liquid, which has some cut to it. You know, they use it to clean oil off of birds, plus the wax that I use. And if you notice, you don't hear any noise, no.
Right.
And if you don't hear any noise, you've cut down on the friction. So claying through wax cuts down on the friction. Now, even though I just bladed it, you can see the discolorment of the water like that.
Right.
That's the overspray residue.
Okay.
And this right here is just a matter of labor. It really is. But not just labor. You got to be somewhat anal, because if there's a dot on this thing, you're going to see it.
Yeah.
So what you want to do, and this is not putting any more wax on it. In fact, I clayed off whatever wax is on it. That's why I have to re-wax it.
Looks good.
I mean, look at that. That's no compounds.
Yeah.
No solvents. And then when I polish it, it'll be like perfect.
Take your time, okay?
I will. No problem at all. You're welcome to come over and check it out. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Check this out. That is perfect. There are any scratches, friends.
Jeff, I'm going inside. It's okay with you?
Okay, friend. I probably got about another hour and a half or so, but she's coming along real nice. Get that finish. Oh, that truck looks good. Hi, how are you?
Hi.
We got your truck all cleaned up.
I see that.
That finish looks pretty. Just keep it from raining today for a little bit more.
Check it out.
Sweet
I'm
truck.
checking it out.
And
This will last a long time too, as far as the polish and all that. Paint Overspray Removal of Texas International Services. This is one of virtually thousands that we've repaired from protective coating and other overspray.